Bitcoin holders, I'm going to be changing up my strategy, and in this video I will be explaining exactly why. Now in the short term, Bitcoin is making itself ready for that next massive move, so right now it's going to be the time to get ready. So make sure to push up that like button, and let's, as always, first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And well, in the short term, yesterday we could be having a look into what's this rising wedge, and this one beautifully broke towards the downside. Now I was telling you to not get trapped because of this breakdown. I was saying that this is going to be giving us a very good opportunity in the market, and right now it is definitely giving us that very good opportunity in the market. Right now we are developing this symmetrical triangle, and this is literally our first sideways consolidation after this insane pump towards the upside, and this sideways consolidation is exactly what we want to be seeing after such an insane pump, because this is going to be giving us as traders our next opportunity in the market. Okay, it is going to be very simple. If we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, it is going to be giving us a continuation of this pump. We can just be expecting our next move towards the upside to be getting initiated. Now, during this consolidation, we can also exactly be seeing that actually liquidity is starting to form in either direction. This is exactly what we want to be seeing. Now, do be warned though, because we are going to be headed in towards a weekend, and of course, volatility is going to be lower. So during the course of the weekend, most likely, we are just going to be continuing our consolidation. And well, during the weekend, I'm not going to be expecting any kind of a significant breakout. Now, actually having a look into what's the ETF inflows, this is going to be very important to see how much buying pressure there's actually incoming because of these spot Bitcoin ETFs. Well, BlackRock once again had a very beautiful day with $600 million worth of Bitcoin actually getting bought up. But we can also be seeing that Grayscale dumped an equivalent amount of $600 million as well through their outflow. You can be seeing right here, Grayscale had an outflow of $600 million. So this has resulted in net inflow to only come in at $100 million, and this is significantly lower than basically the whole week. And you can clearly be seeing this spike from the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF outflow that we got yesterday. But anyways, moving on, maybe we are going to be seeing a slight shift in trend over here with our spot Bitcoin ETFs, but having a look into what's a Bitcoin funding rates, well, a lot of people have been complaining and saying that they are sitting very high and that we need to be seeing a correction. But in my opinion, this is just pretty stupid, because actually if we have a look into what's a Bitcoin funding rates, well, it is completely normal that during a Bitcoin bull market, we are actually going to be seeing high Bitcoin funding rates. For example, in the previous bull market, we could be seeing that right here at this level, we were already sitting at similar levels of the Bitcoin funding rates right here at the beginning of the huge Bitcoin bull market. Also right here, we were also at the same exact levels. But well, because of these Bitcoin funding rates, I'm going to be changing up my strategy for the longer term. Because in my opinion, we are right now entering our exponential bull market levels. We are literally on the verge of hitting our parabolic bull market. Now, if you are going to be having a look into what's the cycle right now, based on time or based on price, well, you could be having a look into what's that we are trading at this level right here, or that we are trading at this level right here. Okay, this level right here is based on price, and if we can be having a look at the previous all-time high, well, this was just before the previous all-time high. Now, this was based on time, just a little bit after the Bitcoin halving, and we are right now as well getting very close towards the Bitcoin halving. But yeah, in either way, it doesn't really matter in which scenario you actually have a look in towards. Well, in either way, well, we are just about to enter a huge Bitcoin parabolic bull market if we have a look into what's our Bitcoin funding rates. So yeah, on top of that, we have also broken above our golden pocket Fibonacci level resistance. So definitely we are hitting this bull market stages. In the last bull market, whenever we broke above this level, well, it just initiated the parabolic Bitcoin bull market. So right now, definitely for the Bitcoin holders and for the Bitcoin traders, I'm going to be changing up my strategy. I'm definitely only going to be looking for Bitcoin long positions, and I'm not going to be looking to be shorting the Bitcoin price in any kind of shape, way, or form. Now, if you are as well going to be getting interested in trading, you can be having a look into what's that link link down below, because you can be claiming $220 by only depositing $100 over on DEEPCOIN. Now, DEEPCOIN is basically very similar to Bybit, but it just does not require any KYC and it has no restrictions. So make sure to check it out, and if you sign up using my link down below, you are also eligible for my free VIP group. If you sign up using my link, execute at least one trade and fill out your DEEPCOIN UID in this form down below. Make sure to check it out, because I've already called Neon just before the pump in this group, and I've also called this altcoin right before the huge pump. Now, this is already 4x and Neon is already up plus 50%. So yeah, these are the best calls I've shared in this group in the last few days. But I can already tell you there's much more to come. Now, if we have a look into this cycle, well, we have seen an average correction of about 20%, and we have never seen a greater correction of 20%. So possibly for this cycle, we can be seeing a new standard being created, that every single correction is just going to be of 20%. And if we were to be seeing a correction from this point, well, it would be setting us at about 50k. Now, I am not saying that we are going to be seeing this correction, but definitely if we would, well, it would be quite manageable of only a 20% dump. I mean, for crypto, this is absolutely nothing. And also on top of that, if we would be seeing this correction, well, in my opinion, I'm going to be approaching it as a gift. Literally, it would be the perfect opportunity for me to open up some huge leverage Bitcoin long positions. So I would definitely not be against it. Now, if we are going to be having a look once more at this chart, well, whenever we broke above that golden pocket Fibonacci level of resistance, well, we very quickly reached new all-time highs, or at least our all-time high resistance. But whenever we broke above that level, well, we very quickly reached the 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance. And in this case, that level is sitting at the 100k level. Now, I'm not going to be seeing that we are going to be reaching that level that quickly this time around, but definitely do keep in mind it can all go and move very quickly. Now, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.